A Cybertruck was again stuck on the beach, buried in the sand and no way of coming out. But this time a Dodge Ram 1500 TRX came to rescue. We have seen previously also Cybertruck getting stuck in the beach, and this is not a new thing now. Looks like the owner of the truck did not follow the basic rule when taking his truck to the beach. That is air down the tires. Without air down, the Cybertruck was always going to get stuck in the sand. The owner with his friends tried to remove the sand, but there was no way the monstrous truck was coming out. This is what happens when city folks buy a truck without knowing how to drive it through various terrains. The Cybertruck in hands of an expert wouldn't face such kind of issues in first place. The Ram TRX just came and was able to pull out the Cybertruck within seconds without any drama.